And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to give you a video tour this morning of this 2019 Arctic Fox fifth wheel 35.5Z. This is a fabulous unit, a lot of great things about it, a lot of great amenities. We're going to start with this large fiberglass front cap, aerodynamically designed with built-in LED lights with switches right here on the LED light. So when you're unhooking or hooking up at night, you've got easy accessibility to the LED lights. You've got the nice MORride front hitch, which is a great option to have. That just gives the hitch a little bit of movement ability, gives you a much nicer ride. On the front, you're going to notice we've got diamond plate going down the front to protect that beautiful front cap of the coach. And this coach is generator ready. A lot of coaches will say they're generator ready, but Northwood products are truly generator ready. You can see the boxes are already installed, so it's all set to go to install a nice generator. Follow me. Moving around to the side, you've got both of your large propane tanks all in one spot, very convenient, easy in, easy out, large propane bottles, very large front compartment with additional power and cable hookups. If you like to watch the games while you're out at a sporting event or just out partying with the family, it's a great connection to have. You'll notice all of their baggage doors are nice and thick, very good for the winter. Just more storage space here. It's got the spring-loaded door, so you don't have to use a catch on the door. Again, additional power. Large electric awning with LED lighting behind that awning. Outdoor speakers, and those are marine-grade speakers with LED spotlights. You've got the large one-step system and a large grab handle. Makes it really nice for stepping in and out of the coach. As we step in, you're going to notice one of the first things, nice and convenient, all of your control panels are right here. So again, this is generator ready. It's even got the switch and pre-installed, so it's all set to go. But you can control your awning, your slide outs, everything right there as you walk into the coach. This also is equipped with the solar panel, so we ordered it with solar. Nice coat closet here. So when you step in, especially here in the Northwest, we get a lot of adverse weather, and makes it nice and convenient to just hang your coats in there. Lots of cabinet space, as you'll see as we walk throughout the coach. Nice dinette table with extendable table, storage underneath, and storage. We've got storage under the seats, so lots of storage there. Dual pane windows. You'll notice the nice open roof. That's their rolled roof system they use. 2 rocker recliners and the power chairs in the back. So you've got the power chairs in the back and 2 additional recliners in this coach. Again, lots of cabinetry. If you look all around the coach, cabinets, drawers galore in this coach. Plenty of storage, lots of counter space. It's got the upgraded stove and oven with a microwave, convection, hard surface countertops, stainless steel, deep bowl, double bowl sink with the residential faucet, easy trash access, 4-door refrigerator, storage underneath the steps. So it's a nice little place to put some extra items. You'll notice the doors are solid core doors. Beautiful door heading into the bedroom. Up into the bedroom area, again, lots and lots of cabinetry and drawer space. You've got a cedar-lined closet, washer dryer ready, storage under the bed, fantastic fan with a skylight, double access to the bathroom. So you get up at night, you've got an access right here. Nice large sink. I'll let the camera do the work in there. Medicine cabinet, and again, lots of storage area inside. By the way, these fantastic fans are remote control driven, so you can lay in bed and control that fan without having to get up and adjust any switches or anything like that. As you look through the ceiling of the coach, you're going to see the really nice lighting system. Again, a fantastic fan and a ceiling fan both. Very well equipped coach. Follow me, I want to show you some more things outside. Bear in mind too, folks, this is a Northwood product. They're building the Northwest for the Northwest, and the reason we say that is that these coaches are built for all kinds of adverse weather conditions. You're going to have Goodyear American-made tires, 4 shocks all the way around, Dexter axles. Coming around to the side of the coach, you're going to get to see a shot here of the augers that come out the side of the coach for the slide out. This is a rack and pinion slide out mechanism, so it's not electric, it's actually rack and pinion on the 2 main slide outs. Metal skirting all the way around, finish all the way underneath, solid back cap, a ladder to get onto the walkable roof. And by the way, they use plywood on their roof and on their floor decking. No particle board. It's already equipped with the backup camera. We've got a power cord reel right here, so no fighting that power cord. It comes right out electronically. You've got a large capacity water heater. Again, LED lighting with the switch right there. So if you have to deal with your tanks at all at night, you've got LED lighting there and spotlights on the side. Again, all LED. There's your docking station. Everything is right here. Makes it nice and convenient. Outdoor shower, water heater bypasses, flushes, everything right here. Battery disconnect. Electric jacks, auto level on the electric jacks. Solar ready, so of course it's already got a solar panel on it. So what this one has is an additional outdoor solar connection so that you can hook up a portable panel if you decide to go that route. And this is where your batteries are going to go. They'll both be on slide trays for easy maneuverability when you're servicing those batteries. So again, my name is Ron McGowan, Guaranty RV Center. This is a beautiful Arctic Fox 2019 35Z. If you have any questions on this coach or any of the other 800 RVs we have in stock, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thanks and have a great day.